Hi everyone, welcome to Shakti Success Show and I am Gitika Dadwani, your heart and soul coach। और आज के इस स्पेशल एपिसोड में हम बात करने वाले हैं कॉन्फिडेंस, क्लैरिटी और करियर एंड मनी सक्सेस के ऊपर। एंड इसमें हमारे साथ सनी जी भी हैं। एंड सो बताइए सनी जी, आज क्या इस टॉपिक पे आप क्या लेकर आए हैं? एंड व्हाट डू यू थिंक दैट कॉन्फिडेंस, करियर और मनी में where women are struggling the most? First of all, welcome Facebook family, welcome Sunny ji.
A huge welcome. Thank you so much, Gitika Dadwani, for inspiring women, for serving them like no one else, with unique topics and tarot guidance. Yes, women are overgiving, women are leaders, givers. Some women, in fact, 85% as per research, they overgive, they undercharge. And because they are mothers and they are givers and they are more loving, they fail to see the queenliness in them. So, I would like to ask you, with your experience, please guide. What is your message for all the women? In spite of being so talented, they undercharge. They don't see their inherent divine value. In spite of being so skilled, they undercharge. Why does that happen? And the solution.
Yes, as you have rightly said that despite having capabilities, despite having everything, they still undercharge. And I think this all boils down to the inner self-worth and confidence. So the worth, बहुत लोग ये कहते हैं कि when I start earning from outside, then I'll feel confident, then I'll feel worthy. But even if you see great businessmen, CEOs, even Elon Musk, and we see that even that they lose in their business, but they still remain in their, what to say, self-worth, that they'll rise up again, they'll do it again, because it's not about money, it's more about who you truly are. And similarly, I want to say to each and every woman who is listening, me, who is listening us in this Facebook Live, that we all are special in our own way. And our worth is not depend on how much we charge, but who we truly are. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये माइंडसेट अपने दिमाग से निकालना कि यू नो कि जब ये चीज़ होगी देन आई विल चार्ज दिस मच। द कॉन्फिडेंस एंड द इनर वर्थ कम्स फर्स्ट, even before you see validation from outside. It's your inner conviction more.
Yes, it's all about the inner game. And when you charge, it doesn't matter. You are valuing your time, your energy, your space, your expertise. Why is the fear of visibility? The pressure, the fear, when they perform well, they don't want to be fully visible. They have a fear inherent and some guilt of being a good enough mother, a good enough daughter. She takes over more pressure of balancing, giving at home too. ये आदमियों में कम होता है, ऐसा क्यों?
Social conditioning, first of all. Women are expected to be caregivers, more nurturers uh, in the social setting. And also, there is, I think, fear of judgment. How will I be seen? Fear of criticism. What if I'll be criticized? What if will people not accept me? What if I'll not be seen as good? And third is of failure as well. But what if it doesn't work? Who am I to lead, to show, or to do something? So fear of failure at times as well. कि कम से कम अपने कंफर्ट जोन में तो जितना है ठीक तो है, फेलियर हो गया तो फिर तो बातें भी सुननी पड़ेंगी. So fear of failure, perfectionism. But as a woman, I want to say that treat yourself just like any other human being. Even if you make mistakes, that's okay. Even if people judge you, that's okay. And when you feel okay about it and you have don't care attitude towards it, and your first and only foremost thing that is important for you is that your growth. Have you become a better person than yesterday? Then I think your focus shifts. Then I think you'll not think about the fears, the hesitations. And many a times, when we see a goal, oh, this person, if this person can do it, I can also do it. Why I am at this place? The thing is that they have acted despite of the fear, despite of the hesitation. You can also do that, the same thing. But the courage, the keep going spirit, and willingness to trust oneself, these are the skills that will reward you in long term.
Let's make it rewarding, truly magical for all the mothers, sisters, daughters, daughter in laws, and wives. So, yes, live for yourself. It is okay to fail. आदमियों में उतना नहीं होता है, लेकिन औरतों पे हमने एक्स्ट्रा प्रेशर डाला हुआ है. आज से वो खत्म. ओके, चाइल्डहुड बिलीव्स व्हेन इट कम्स टू मनी. पैसे पेड़ पे उग दे. लड़के को पढ़ा लो, लड़की को तो वैसे भी शादी करके भेजना है. I know times are changing still, but all generations have suffered enough, and the little daughters of yesterday have become mothers today, professionals today. How is those, conditioning beliefs affecting her today in her growth at workplace? Supportive income mentality, or the queen, the nurturer, the leader, the entrepreneur mentality? तो ये मनी बिलीव्स कितना इफेक्ट हो रहे हैं आज की डेट में और फ्यूचर?
Beliefs are very much important in my opinion. Money beliefs or even childhood beliefs. And I always say that you have to paint your picture. You have to paint your picture very much wisely. Even sometimes you don't know your capabilities, because let's say you were criticized when you were a child, and that's why you are low on confident, you are doubting your capabilities. But when now you are aware of your inner shakti, so at least paint it in a better way. Paint it in a positive way with bright colors where you're smiling, joyous, happy, confident. And when you paint your picture in this way in your mind, that no matter what, whatever I'll touch, it will turn into gold. Wherever I land up into, that place will be abundant. There I'll be successful. When you have these kind of beliefs, then I think you are actually taking hold of your destiny. सो इफ अगर बिलीव्स भी रखने हैं तो मैं कहती हूँ अच्छे रख सकते हो, ठीक है. कुछ टाइम तक बुरे थे, अब रिलीज करके अच्छे रखो बिलीव्स. और बिलीव्स का बहुत बड़ा रोल डेफिनेटली है. एंड कमिंग ऑन टू सेकेंड थिंग, दैट इज अबाउट द nurturing environment that the patriarchy you can say, or male dominated environment you can say, whether at workplace or maybe at home, due to which women can feel less supported. But I want to tell each and every woman that see the blessings in those moments as well. Let's say you don't have supportive environment, at least you have enough education, at least you have enough wisdom, awareness. Most girls are not getting maybe the girls in the slums, in the villages, they are also being void of education, the basic education. So I'm not trying to demotivate them, but I am encouraging each and every woman to take personal responsibility. एंड आई ऑलवेज से दैट इवन इफ यू अगर यहाँ चैलेंज नहीं फेस करते तो बाहर जाके कुछ और चैलेंज फेस करोगे. बी रेजिलियंट, बी बोल्ड, टेक चार्ज, टेक पर्सनल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, take every challenge as a key that it's a gift from your god that will turn into a blessing. So whether it is your home environment, whether it is at your workspace, maybe you are feeling suffocated or you are not feeling enough supported, support yourself enough. Do something um, that you can only do for yourself, that you even don't need support from others. And gradually you will find that universe will start supporting you. Right kind of people will start coming to you. You'll start attracting the right kind of environment, mentors, bosses, or your family people start aligning with you. But all I want to say, even if it is not there, stay calm, stay humble, focus on your work. But it's there should be a thin line where we have to fight, where we don't have to fight. So it's just that only. Sometimes acceptance helps, sometimes it's just, I'm not going to quit. This kind of resilience helps. So you have to wise in that area.
चलो पैसे कमाते हैं, पैसा कैसे आएगा? स्किल्स और सेल्फ वर्थ?
पैसे के लिए स्किल्स भी इम्पोर्टेंट है, सेल्फ वर्थ तो इम्पोर्टेंट ही है. क्योंकि अगर स्किल्स होंगी, सेल्फ वर्थ होगी ही नहीं, तो जॉब आएगा भी तो भी डिजर्विंग नहीं समझेंगे, चला जाएगा हाथ से. You'll not able to rise, you'll not able to hold, you'll not able to work in your full potential. तो सेल्फ वर्थ तो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है ही है. ठीक है. सो एंड आई ऑलवेज से दैट द मनी यू अर्न और एनीथिंग अराउंड यू, मे बी एनी मटेरियल थिंग, और जिससे भी you are judged in the society, it doesn't determine your self-worth at all. We all are human beings and we all are souls on a human journey, and we all have our personal growth path. So no one is here to demean you, or no one is there to judge you that you are great or you are small. We all are on a journey. So rather than comparison, rather than undermining our capabilities, rather than feeling so great about, oh, that person is so lucky, I'm here, start focusing on things on which you think, you internally feel that you need to work on, and start working on things that trigger you. Um, so yes, when you start working on that, and yes, skills are also important. So master your craft, master your skills day by day, and I think with practice that can be achieved. But self-worth is one such thing. I think that once your beliefs are very much set, foundational beliefs, then you can master it.
So beautiful. Skills is the outer game and self-worth is the inner game. दोनों साथ साथ चलेंगे, head and tails. You can't have one without the other. And there's no question of which is more important. Yes, self-worth needs more work. Skills are easier to acquire. So work on both. Thank you so much, Gitika. अब पैसा आ गया. My final question, which I want you to summarize the entire show, कि for all the women watching this, सक्सेस भी मिल जाए, लव भी मिल जाए, हैप्पीनेस भी मिल जाए, इसका मंत्र क्या हो?
I'll say that start loving yourself as you are, and don't forget to talk to yourself. Don't forget to listen to your emotions. Don't forget to listen to your intuition. And don't limit yourself in any way. Maybe, let's say, in this way also. कि I can't have freedom, I have a kid, I have a husband, I cannot earn, maybe. So these are limits that we set in our mind. Once you'll say to yourself, I'm open to possibilities. If not in this way, maybe some other way. God will start showing you different paths. So you have to be open, you have to be creative, you have to be, I think, with so much love with yourself that you are important for yourself rather than any excuse or any kind of judgment that maybe you are also holding. So, self love is the message that I want to give each and every woman.
Yes, truly. सेल्फ लव से सक्सेस भी आएगी, खुशी भी आएगी और प्यार भी आता है. Thank you so much, everyone, for being part of Shakti Success community. Join Shakti Success Hub, share with your loved ones, and keep getting inspired by the best Tarot Life coach, the equanimous, the spiritual, the magician, Gitika Dadwani. Do you have a card for us before we say goodbye?
Sure. Okay. Thank you so much, sir. And let's have a card for our Facebook family and whosoever is watching this video, let's have a card for them. What is the guidance for today's session? Okay. Okay, so the card I got here is Eight of Wands, and Eight of Wands is all about transition and speed. Sometimes we get opportunities, but we don't act with speed. We don't accept them. Our fears and lack of receiving don't allow us to accept the love, even. So, if there is some blessing that is coming around you, it can be in terms of job, it can be in terms of maybe learning and growth, it can be in terms of money as well. Don't hesitate with regards to accepting that blessing, and don't let your hesitations and emotions to overwhelm you. Let's say when changes happen, we resist changes because we are so much in tune with learn with by being in the comfort zone that has happened in the past, maybe any sad memory, maybe any heartbreak up, or maybe loss that has happened few years back. But life always has ups and downs. So if anything blessing, any blessing or opportunity you see, this time don't resist yourself and move towards it with so much love. This is the message.
Let's all move together and move with joy. Thank you, Tarot cards. Thank you, Divine Guidance. And Tarot is no prediction. Tarot is a mirror to the soul,
Yes.
mirror to our present inner state. Thank you once again, everyone. Thank you, Gitika. Thank you, God.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, viewers. Thank you, Facebook family. And thank you so much, Sunny for asking such wonderful questions and holding the space very much beautifully. And yes, thank you, everyone. And yes, join Shakti Success Hub with Gitika and Sunny. Thank you.